Alright, so I just removed the old trunk storage box out of my 3rd gen Camaro. Here's what the old one looked like. As you can see, it was all worn down and even falling apart. How you get to the side panel is you first remove the rear panel. You should have 2 screws here. Mine only had 1. As you can see here, you remove that and then the rear panel will come apart for you. Once that rear one's off, you can get to the side one. Just pull out these pins and it'll come right out. So here's a look at the new one. I already placed back there. I haven't screwed it in yet, but as you can see, in much better shape. Direct fit, no modification needed. So depending on the condition of your old storage box, you can just rip your old one out and then remove these nuts here like I did, or you can remove these first and then pull the storage box off. Once you get the new one back there, they'll slide on to the screws that are attached to the panel, and you just screw them back in. Alright, so here we are. I got the new storage box inside the panel. Good as new. I can actually put stuff back there now. And yeah, finished with this quick and easy mod. Thanks for watching.